Hi, I entered a competition on YouTube by Pauly Poo Poo, and what you had to do is guess how many figures were in the box, and I guessed correctly and I was the first one to guess it. And I just want to share with you what I've won. But firstly I want to say thank you very much to Pauly Poo Poo. Link to his YouTube channel will be below in the description. Right, let's begin. First item. I'm not going to take these out of the packets, I'm going to keep them in. So they stay there. Great condition as they are now. Generation X one. And lastly, Indiana Jones. So I said thank you very much again, Pauly. Keep up the great videos. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.